Each time Christmas comes around, we enter the season of Christmas parties, galas, drinks, and family gatherings. It's the best time of year, but it can also be a challenge to a lot of men because they don't know what to wear. But that's why I'm here. Today, I want to show you a better way to dress for these occasions and to do so through the lens of Ralph Lauren. There's a few brands out there that I think of every time Christmas comes around, and Ralph Lauren is one of them. I'm going to give you 4 Ralph Lauren inspired outfits that are perfect for the holiday season. And no, I'm not sponsored by them. I just thought this would be a fun video idea. But if they are watching, my DMs are open. Hi gents, I'm Nick, and welcome to my channel where I discuss gents' style and lifestyle. I make videos on a wide variety of topics on how to dress well and how to live well. So if that interests you, then click subscribe. Before we jump into the outfits, let's quickly talk about dress codes because Christmas party can mean a lot of different things. The 3 most common dress codes that you're likely to see this time of year are, on the formal end, creative black tie, which is essentially a tuxedo with a little bit of personality. So think velvet jackets, rich colors, and slightly more playful fabrics. It's still elegant, but it's just a little less strict than the traditional black tie. A step down from that and you have cocktail attire or semi-formal, which includes a suit or a blazer trouser combo with dress shoes or dress boots. Then there's smart casual, which you'll see for home gatherings, drinks with friends, cozy dinners. And here you can bring out things like knits, chinos, and dark denim. Just remember to check the dress code for the event that you're attending and go from there. I did make a video diving deep into all the common dress codes, so if you're interested in watching that, I'll link it in the description below. As we go through the looks, I'll show you a Ralph Lauren inspired outfit for each. And just a note, Ralph Lauren is on the pricier side, but you can find less expensive alternatives elsewhere. Okay, for each of the 4 outfits, I'll show you some images that I was using for inspiration so you can see the look that I was going for. But I have changed them slightly based on my own style and product availability. Any products I mention will be linked in the description below. Our first outfit is the most formal that I'm showing you, and I'm calling it Purple Label Creative Black Tie Look. This is your fancy Christmas gala or high-end party outfit. And as it says in the name, this is our creative black tie look, and it's perfect for those work Christmas parties. This outfit gives us a little more room to play with colors, so we'll be going with a fun velvet blazer, tuxedo trousers, a tuxedo shirt, a bow tie, and shoes. Beginning with our jacket, I've gone with this Gregory hand-tailored velvet blue jacket from Ralph Lauren's Purple Label. It has a shawl collar and a 1-button closure. I was looking for a green one so that it kind of matches the colors of the season, but they didn't have any sizes available. They do have some other colors though if you don't want to go with blue. For trousers, we'll go with this pair of Gregory hand-tailored tuxedo trousers. And for our shirt, I went with this piqué bib spread collar tuxedo shirt. But there are many different options you could go with here. You could do a pleated front or a wing collar, a spread collar or a piqué bib, or any combination of these. We'll pair the shirt up with a silk satin bow tie in black. And to finish the outfit off, on our feet, let's do a pair of patent calfskin slippers because we want to have a little fun, but you could also do Oxfords. And there's our formal but playful black tie look ready for all the Christmas galas. Now let's step it down from creative black tie into something a little more relaxed but still sharp. This is our cocktail / semi-formal outfit, and I'm calling it Polo Evening Cocktail Look. This one is great for dressy Christmas drinks, a hotel bar, or a restaurant. The outfit consists of a black suit, black turtleneck, black Chelsea boots, and a pocket square. Starting with our suit, unfortunately, I couldn't find a double-breasted one like the one in the photo I'm showing you, so I'm going with this single-breasted wool twill suit instead. I've kept the colors for this outfit all black except for the pocket square, but feel free to mix in some color if you prefer. I just think all black with a turtleneck looks sleek. Underneath, we'll pair it with this cashmere turtleneck. And on our feet, I took a look around and they have many different Chelsea boots, some suede, some leather. I ended up going with the latter and found this pair of calfskin boots just to keep things a little more formal. To finish our outfit off, I wanted to add in a little bit of color, so I went with this plaid wool pocket square. This is truly a great look if you want to stay elevated but also a little cozy. This next one is perfect for an office Christmas party where maybe You have to work at the office all day, but then stay after work for an office Christmas gathering. This is a business casual look, and I'm calling it Country Club Office Party Look. It consists of a textured jacket, flannel trousers, a dress shirt, shoes, and a belt. Beginning with our jacket, I found two options. The first one is this beautiful plaid tweed jacket. I love the color and style, and it looks great for this time of year. Unfortunately, there is a limited quantity left, so I also found this fun suede jacket as an alternative. For trousers, I was looking for wool flannel trousers, and I found this pair of medium gray trousers that would look great with our outfit. For our shirt, we'll go with a white twill dress shirt. On our feet, I found a beautiful pair of calf suede monk strap shoes that I absolutely love, and we'll pair those up with a brown leather braided belt to top our outfit off. And there's our country club business casual look that's great for any office parties. And our last look is our most casual, and I'm calling it Aspen Lodge House Party Look. This is a festive Ralph Lauren smart casual look that's perfect for friend gatherings, house parties, family events, and cozy drinks. It consists of a cozy sweater, Oxford cloth button-down shirt, and I know they have gray trousers in the photo I'm showing you, but I'm going to sub them out for dark denim instead. We'll also add in a pair of boots and a watch. Beginning with our sweater, we have a little bit more play in terms of what we can wear, and I wanted to go for something a little bit more festive that's perfect for the season. So I went with this snowflake cotton cashmere sweater. Ralph Lauren does have a ton of other sweaters available, so if you prefer a different option, there's plenty out there. For our shirt underneath, I've gone with this black OCBD shirt. There's a wide range of other colors available too if you prefer a different color. I took a look around for denim and I ended up going with these Sullivan Slim Stretch jeans. For shoes, we'll go with this pair of black suede chukka boots. And to top our outfit off, let's add in a nice understated watch. And there's your cozy Aspen Lodge look that's ready for friend and family holiday gatherings. I hope all of you enjoyed this video. This was a fun one to make, and I really do love the Ralph Lauren brand. I know they are on the pricier end, but you can find similar pieces elsewhere for less. If you enjoy videos like these, let me know in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and Merry Christmas.